Hello everyone, welcome to Dentospedia, your trusted digital learning companion in dentistry. Now we are excited to introduce you to our comprehensive pediatric dentistry course, which is carefully designed to help you understand, learn, and confidently apply the principles of child dental care. Now, pediatric dentistry is not just about treating teeth, it is about understanding a child's behavior, growth, development, and oral health, which needs from infancy through adolescence. Now, this course has been structured to build your concepts step by step, making learning simple, practical, and clinically relevant. So, what all things are included in this app? So, today I will tell you that. This is a Dentospedia app. So, you can see over here there are study material quizzes. So you can see there are some videos, quizzes, mock tests as well as notes. So first you can see there are 27 comprehensive chapters. Understand? Now each chapter focuses on an essential topic of pediatric dentistry, starting from the basic and gradually progressing to advanced concepts such as behavior management, growth and development, dental caries, pulp therapy, space management, and preventive dentistry. Understand? You can see over here every chapter is delivered through well explained video lectures, ensuring conceptual clarity and better retention. Understand? You can see over here there are notes as well. You can see there are notes of all the 27 chapters. So to reinforce learning, a quiz follows each lecture. Now these quizzes helps you to assess your understanding, revise important points, and prepare effectively for exams. Then there is a questionnaire booklet. So along with the lectures, you will receive a dedicated questionnaire booklet which includes important exam oriented questions, short notes as well as long answer and frequently asked topics. Yeah. So there is simple and student friendly explanation, concept based learning rather than note memorization, integrated quizzes for self assessment, a structured approach aligned with the dental curriculum. So learn anytime, anywhere at your own pace. Now, with this pediatric dentistry course on Dentospedia, our goal is to make learning effective, engaging, and exam oriented, while also preparing you for the real life dental clinical practice. So, get ready to explore the world of pediatric dentistry. One chapter at a time, learn, revise, assess, and monitor the child dental care with Dentospedia. So, thank you and happy learning.